I don't know whether you remember or not, but we interacted on LinkedIn also. I mean, I interacted with you over there. So my current scenario is like I'm doing my MBA and I'm in my final year. And there is always a self-doubt. I don't know why, because I have always prioritized civil services. I mean, being a Bihari, it's there in our soul, and it was, I mean, since my graduation days. So I'm trying to realize that we are actually ready. That feeling that, okay, now I am ready and I should go for it.
Actually, but that never comes. Now, until and unless you start doing it. How would we know that, how would you know if you can be good at carpentry or not? How will you know you are good at coding or not? Only when you start coding, you will feel, either you will feel good about it, you will start liking it, or you will not like it, then you will drop it. So until we start something, we can't know whether it is for you or not. Just don't regret anything. Whatever you have to do it now. You have this 10 years in hand. Just make the best use of it. You make the best use, you clear your exam, and you can do any number. Whatever you want to do. No problem. So currently, you may not be knowing what you like to eat. But once you clear exam, people will know what you like to eat. There is a whole different aura to it. But there is a risk. So what do? We leverage it. So that, just like, the Salman Khan, or I always give this example. Have you seen his movies? जिसमें वो agent बनता है हमेशा government का.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Tiger. If plan A fails, he always has a plan B. When plan B fails, he always has a plan C. So we have to be like that. We must have a leverage with us, so that we are not in tension, we are not in anxiety, we are not in stress. We know if by chance things doesn't work, what is the thing that we will be doing? Keep on just pursue some online. So at Tathastu, what is the solution we have provided? MBA plus UPSC. We fit the whole syllabus of UPSC into MBA. Simple. वैसे भी कितना पढ़ते हो MBA में, या किसी भी डिग्री में कितना पढ़ते हो? पढ़ते होता ही हो, साथ में UPSC भी हो जाएगा. और कोई पूछे क्या कर रहे हो? If somebody asks you what you are doing, then you just say, I'm doing MBA. Don't tell them you are giving UPSC.
Ma'am, sometimes challenges come. I mean, I'm in my final year currently, and I'm from Bihar, so I applied for BPSC, and I don't know is it fate or what, but my exams, MBA exams, and the BPSC exam is on the same day. So my first priority is currently MBA.
It's okay. Till UPPCS also. It will be not on the same day.
Yeah.
Don't worry. So these things happen because the moment you want to do two things at a time, there will be some clashes, है ना? That is why वरना हम अपना प्रोग्राम ही क्यों बनाते ना, इसलिए तो बनाना पड़ा कि ताकि ये क्लैशिंग ना हो. लेकिन आप इंडिपेंडेंट भी कर लो तो थोड़ा सा क्लैशिंग होने से क्या फर्क पड़ेगा, बहुत ज्यादा, है ना? Just manage it. If you will do the work of 6 years, 5 years, in 2 or 3 years, it will take a little effort.
Yes, ma'am.